Chris here with High Seas Cruising. Welcome to today's video. We are back once again to answer new cruise questions. I go through the internet, I look at different cruise chat rooms, different cruise pages looking for new cruiser questions, because one thing I've noticed, if you look at the comments underneath, not everybody simply answers the question. And sometimes they even come off a little snotty and rude. So that's why I'm making videos to simply answer the questions, give the facts, let you know what the cruise line's policy is or how it's done on board a cruise ship. So let's jump in. Let's take a look at today's questions. First up today from a Royal Caribbean page. Anyone know if they sell cigarettes on board? Yes, they do. You can go down to the duty-free shop. They sell cigarettes there. You can also normally go to the bar in the casino and they will sell them individually by the pack there. I've also seen them sold at other bars around the ship. Simply ask the bartender on whatever ship you're on, if you're just looking for a single pack immediately, hey, where can I get a pack of cigarettes? They will direct you to where you can do that. If you want to purchase them by the carton, when the duty-free shop opens, you can purchase them there. So yes, they do sell cigarettes on board cruise ships. Now from a Norwegian site, talking about specialty dining. Is it possible to book specialty restaurants on board? No availability since many weeks for my next cruise on 2 weeks, only 1 or 2 at 9:30 p.m. So is it possible to book specialty restaurants once you're on board the ship? Yes, it is. Go to the restaurant that you're interested in, talk to the hostess that's there, see what they have available. They will be more than happy to book you. It is possible, definitely possible, that a specialty restaurant, especially if it's a brand new one or it's very, very popular, could be booked up. But a lot of times they do still have spaces available and they hold them until people get on board the ship. So go see the host or hostess, see what they can do for you. Because yes, it is possible to book specialty restaurants once you're on board the ship. And finally, one question about controlling your children's spending while on board the ship. Is it possible to put daily spending limits on the SeaPass card for our children? Thanks. Once again, the answer is yes. This is something you absolutely can do. Once you get on board the ship, all you have to do, go to guest services, set the daily spending limit, boom, done. This is a common practice so the kids don't wander off, go to the arcade, rack up $500, $600, $700 bill. This is a normal practice for children. This is something that's easy to do. Quick trip to guest services. So yes, it is absolutely possible to put a spending limit on your kid's SeaPass card. And that's going to be our video today for new cruise questions. If you have a question you'd like us to answer, drop it in the comments below. You may see it on an upcoming video. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.